Now you can see these bees are carrying something on their butt of the leg. They are bringing something to make their hive and honey. They are getting in the box. Many bees colonies are going out and coming and bringing something to build their home. And also they are searching for the honeys and royal jelly. There are a lot of, and also from this box the strong colony even they have. Now you can see this bees bringing something on their leg. A lot of bees are there. It's so great to see. Now they are start making their hive and honey.